Hey, welcome to the SideHustlr channel. Did you know more than 145,000 clients are waiting for you on Upwork? They are ready to spend $2.5 billion per year. How exciting is that? You don't need to be an expert in many skills to reach these clients. The game has been changed. Upwork offers fantastic opportunities for everyone to earn the way they want. You'll get a chance to earn income whether you're a beginner or an expert. Are you ready to start earning? In this video, I'll show you the complete process to start earning on Upwork. I'll share secret tips to inspire clients to choose you and help grow your business. Let's begin. Number 1, understand what you can offer. Don't jump in with the trendy work that's currently in demand. Stick to work that you know and are confident in providing a good service. For example, SEO is in high demand and you decide to start in this field, but you're an expert in website development. Are you as confident you can provide excellent service in SEO as you would in website development? You must find your interest and skills to choose the perfect field for you. Your desired area of expertise will help you inspire clients who will love to work with you forever. On the other hand, if you go for the trend, many clients will hire you but never return. That can lead to disappointment and stop you from reaching your goal. If you're a beginner, let's look at other fields you may be interested in. Data entry. Upwork offers thousands of data entry jobs, so it's not hard to find potential clients. Data entry is a straightforward job perfect for beginners. You'll have to do some level of typing or transcribing information into a document or program, but you can earn between $5 to $15 per hour. The amount you can charge for this service will increase as your skills grow with time. Virtual assistant. You can become a virtual assistant with good management and communication skills. Companies or individuals will use your service to help schedule appointments, send emails, or do data entry work. Unlike standard data entry jobs, you can earn between $10 to $25 per hour. With the right time management skills, you could look to take on 2 or 3 clients at a time. Content writing. Content writing is a perfect job for you if you're a creative person with good research skills. There's high demand for article writers, copywriters, script writers, and many other related tasks, even if you have zero experience. Start with charging $10 for every 500 words. Then increase your rate once you become an expert in your work. You can also consider other fields like web development, web design, UX design, digital marketing, social media management, SEO, and many more. Which area are you attracted to the most? Tell me in the comments. If you're interested in 2 fields, you should choose the one with high demand and less competition. Some people think it's better to offer different services simultaneously, but I think it's better to focus on one first, and then you can increase your rates and earn more than offering 2 services at lower prices. Number 2, make an interactive profile. Clients can't talk to every freelancer, so you must explain your services in the best way to convince potential clients to buy from you. Upwork makes the process easy by allowing freelancers to create profiles and give clients the most information about their services possible. Use energetic words and make them come to life. Clients should feel like they are having a face-to-face chat with you. Let's see how this works. For example, you may write, "I'm a highly experienced content writer with a great passion in every niche. I have worked with many clients worldwide and will love to write with you as well. I wouldn't recommend this style. It seems like you're trying to show you're very experienced, but you're not. Moreover, clients know you're a human being, and you have different feelings about different niches. You can't be passionate about everything. Let's make this better. I'm a highly experienced content writer who has worked with different cultures. I can successfully explore any field, but my deep interest lies in the traveling and food niche. That looks much better." Upwork also allows you to add work samples. Don't add everything you've done to show clients you've done a lot of work. Only add your best examples. Focus on video testimonials. It's a fantastic feature, but many freelancers are ignoring it. Use this secret way to get special attention and get hired. After completing your profile, look over your profile multiple times. A single mistake can lead to many headaches, causing you to lose out on work. Another important tip is to not create multiple profiles on Upwork to earn more. It's against Upwork policies. Read the terms and conditions and stay within compliance. Otherwise, your account can be banned permanently. Number 3, send proposals. You have now completed the more challenging tasks. Now it's time to earn. You will need to find relevant jobs, then send proposals. Sending proposals will require you to buy what's called connects. As a beginner, you may be worried that you may miss out on opportunities and waste these connects because of the other more experienced freelancers on Upwork. But don't worry, use the following formula to increase your chances of winning jobs. Find a job with less competition. Most freelancers ignore jobs with long descriptions. Moreover, some job descriptions are challenging to understand. You must find jobs like this and send practical proposals. Use the filters to find jobs with 5 to 10 proposals and increase your chances of winning the bid. Write an attractive proposal. Explain your skills compellingly so that a client will be compelled to hire you. But don't exaggerate your skills. Use the client's name. Show them you've understood everything they're looking to accomplish. Tell them how you'll help solve their problem and why they should hire you. Answer their questions and respond to their messages as quickly as possible. Set low prices. Set your prices just low enough to attract clients who want to get quality work under a tight budget. But don't set them too low that clients will doubt the quality of your work. As you gain more clients, become busier, and gain more experience, you can reassess your pricing and match your rates with the market. Boost your proposal. You find a job you'd like to go after, but you see more than 10 proposals have been sent. Don't worry, you still have a chance to win over the client. Upwork has introduced the option to boost proposals. By using more connects to bid with, you can be pushed to the top of the client's proposal list. For example, if a job requires 6 connects, you can use 14. Don't stress about having to pay for more connects. As the saying goes, money attracts money. By making a small investment here, you'll continue to earn once you've found and gained clients. Now you have the 3 simple steps to begin working on Upwork. Now it's time to get started and inspire everyone on the platform with your fantastic service.